और इस संस्थान परिवार के सभी का बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करते हुए मैं मेरे वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. We are excited to hear some words by our Honorable Chairperson, Professor P. Nagabhushan, Director, IIITA. So we kindly request respected sir to continue our event by sharing some words with us.
The buzzword is flexibility. So I shall exercise my flexibility to speak in English. You have got to excuse me. Shri Atulji, Professor Maninder Agarwal, Professor Chaturvedi, Professor Pankaj Mittal, my colleagues over here from different institutions as well as from my institution, Nitish Purohit, the architect of this national flexible program. Good morning to all of you. You have heard from the beginning the scholarly presentations by Professor Maninder, Professor Chaturvedi, and later Rajiv Tripathi, and then Pankaj Mittal. The star of the day, Professor Atulji, spoke so very well. Absolutely, I have nothing more to add, but I would recollect whatever Professor Chaturvedi mentioned, that the road is not so smooth, it's going to be bumpy, but then you have got to overcome that. You have got to really overcome that. When it is flexibility, which is also enjoyed by every child at home, you know what does a child would do? When the child is uncomfortable with father, the child will go to mother. When the child is uncomfortable with mother, the child will go to grandfather. And when child is uncomfortable both with father and mother, the child will take the liberty of complaining against the parents at the grandparents. The flexibility, one more step later, the child will also take the liberty of going to the neighbor and complaining against the parents. That's the age. That's the problem with flexibility, and one has got to be very careful. When we introduce the flexibility, and if I offer a course, which most of the students would definitely understand is a tough course, then you should not find it as a reason to exit from this institution and take that course somewhere else. So it has got to be very different. Most important in any flexible system is the ability of the system to counsel the stakeholder. Without counseling, no flexible system shall be very comfortable. So there has got to be a strong counseling system in the entire flexibility system. The national education policy, though has not explicitly mentioned, over 72 pages, over 75 pages of this document, it has been very clearly mentioned that the candidate has got to be properly counseled. Flexibility does not mean that a particular boy will take Sangeeta, will also take dance, will also take this, will also take that, but then every person has got to remember that there has got to be a goal into which the ball has got to be taken, and that is where the multi-directions to take the ball into the goal has got to be counseled, and counseling is most important. Unless we do the counseling, the flexible system or ABC shall not be of a great success. But national policy has just advocated a very wonderful idea, as Madam Pankaj Mittal brought out, that it has got to be the wonderful implementation of ABC, Academic Bank of Credit, but then Academic Bank of Credit should not again become like that of credit cards, that one bank comes and gives you a credit card and you use it, and by the time you have got to repay the loan to the credit bank, you just forget about using that card itself. That should not happen. That one has got to be very, very careful. Now, this flexible academic program is not a new program. It is a wonderful solution. What Professor Nitish Purohit has brought out is a wonderful solution to implement ABC. That's what has got to be linked. The flexible academic program should be thought of as linking the academic, bank of credits. But then, as Professor Chaturvedi brought it out, as also Professor Maninder Agarwal very melodiously and in a key low tone brought it out, that there will be the boundary problems. The boundary problems are a candidate who joins a NIT system or a triple IT system with only joint entrance examination obviously would be aspiring to take the courses from IITs because he wants to show the certification that he has got the courses from IITs, whereas to enter into an IIT system, he has got to have an advanced entrance examination also. Therefore, at the beginning, this point of the boundary problems have got to be properly overcome. Otherwise, there shall be the tussle between the boundaries, which is true even today in the world, even today, which has been true in the physical world itself. The problems are only because of boundaries, whether it is Karnataka or Maharashtra, whether it is just recently UP and Uttarakhand, the boundary problems still are going to persist, and that is where one has got to be very careful. And the problem is not in welcoming the new policies, the problem is in fruitfully seeing that all these boundary issues, which are very careful, which are very delicate issues, have got to be sorted out. That has got to be the aim of these workshops, because idea is noble. National education policy idea itself is noble. I would always have loved to mention this particular point. Had it been headed by any professor, the national education policy, had it been headed by any professor, I don't think we would have got such a comprehension. This has been looked at by a spaceman, Kasturi Rangan. The spaceman has been able to see the entire education sitting from the space. Therefore, there has been a total holistic issue, and therefore this national education policy has been as a comprehensive statement. And that's the reason why, in spite of all national education policies which happened till day, this national education policy, which has happened after 75 years of this independence of India, has really opened up the way for great India to think very, very progressively on this particular issue. But my caution, I have got to be very cautious in telling that you should be very clear about all these boundary problems, because the frictions always happen at boundary. It is simple. It is a simple physics philosophy that when there is a junction of two dissimilar metals, naturally the friction happens only at the boundary, and the boundaries have got to be sorted out clearly. So it could be the boundary between an IIT and a triple IT and a NIT system. It could be boundary between a triple IT NIT system with a conventional AICT system. We have got to be very careful, and I am telling still from the perspective of only technical education, but then the imagination is to take it and mingle and amalgamate even the non-technical things into the technical field, which means one has got to get into arts, commerce, all these faculty. Therefore, the boundary problems have got to be sorted out. I am very sure Professor Nitish Purohit and team, the youngsters, would take the torch in this direction and think very carefully, because it is not speaking about the ideals, it is speaking about the implementation at the ground level, which makes the things very, very successful. National education policy, I am very happy that it speaks about one most interesting thing, and I request Dr. Atulji to take it very strongly, that particular aspect, that any institution should not have a gap of director or a gap of vice chancellor. Ever since national education policy has been brought in, ever since people have started speaking, somehow every conference, every workshop is somehow very intelligently silent about this particular issue. The whole point is the lack of continuity in any of our attempts. The lack of continuity is because of the discontinuity at the leadership level. So, what's going to happen to an institution where the director or the vice chancellor demits the office because of the completion of his term, and invariably the new director is not available? And no doubt, nowadays, at least when we were younger students, very young people, we used to see that the new director or the new vice chancellor taking the charge from the previous vice chancellor, and both of them used to meet at least one day. And today there is a big discontinuity, that there is a perfect gap between the first director and the second director, the present director and the next director, the present vice chancellor and the next vice chancellor. Therefore, most of the time, what would happen is always the new director starts with a fresh idea, which is naturally, so most of the time, it is Control Alt Delete for the new director. This is what has got to be sorted out. Again, this is a boundary problem. Now, the worst problem is the transition period. During the transition period, somebody has got to take over the institution. Somebody has got to run the show. And this somebody naturally is a in charge or officiating director who is not fully equipped to take the right direction and right decisions, and who cannot even take the institution forward because, after all, he is officiating. This national education policy, which has been thoroughly mentioned, has got to be examined. And this point, the basic point, has got to be set right, because continuity in the flow always maintains anything to flow very continuously. So that has got to be maintained. I'm very sure, I'm requesting, I'm urging Shri Atulji here that he has got to take forward this particular point, because the unsuccessful happening of all great ideals is because of the lack of the continuity of the ideas, lack of the flow of continuity, and that has got to be ensured. I'm very sure this workshop, this conference would also speak about all these boundary issues, and what is most important is the stakeholder has got to be counseled properly. Counseling is very much necessary. When a child should go to grandfather, when a child goes to grandfather, the child should be educated that the child should not complain against father, should not complain against mother, is the counseling. It is not preventing the grandchild going to the grandfather, but it is advising the child not to complain against parents. That is most important, which has got to be done, and this counseling has got to be done. That's what is counseling forum is very much required for any, particularly for the success of this ABC, collecting the credits from multiple institutions. It has got to be a proper counseling. So also the boundaries between the institutions. Well, I would be very much keen in looking at the proceeding, the things which are going to happen in the next panel discussions. I would be very, very happy, because the real month and real churning happens in all these panel discussions. I'm very sure you would give a shape for a proper implementation during these panel discussions. And I'm very sure at the end of tomorrow, there shall be a clear, understandable, realizable, implementable procedure which these panels are going to make a recommendation. With this, surely, in the presence of the star person like Atulji, taking the things forward would become easy, but strengthen his hands. To strengthen his hands, we should be able to practically think what has got to be done. I wish all the success to the deliberations which are going to happen the next 2 days. Thank you very much for the patient hearing.